Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of tech with a roundup of the top 10 coolest gadgets all available on Amazon. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for some fun new toys, there's something here for everyone. You can buy these gadgets from the links that are given in the description below. Let's jump right in. 10. Koonie Desk Fan. The Koonie Desk Fan is a sleek and efficient personal cooling solution designed to keep you comfortable while you work or relax. This compact fan features a modern aesthetic that fits seamlessly into any workspace or home environment. With adjustable speeds and a 360-degree rotation, it allows you to direct airflow exactly where you need it, ensuring optimal comfort. One of the stand-up features of the Koonie Desk Fan is its quiet operation, making it perfect for use in offices, bedrooms, or study areas without disturbing your concentration. Many models also come with a built-in rechargeable battery, providing cordless convenience for portability, whether you're indoors or outdoors. 9. Asus ProArt StudioBook 16. The Asus ProArt StudioBook 16 is a powerful laptop tailored for creative professionals and content creators. Featuring a stunning 16-inch display with options for OLED or high-resolution panels, it delivers vibrant colors and exceptional detail, making it ideal for tasks like photo and video editing, graphic design, and 3D modeling. Equipped with high-performance processors and dedicated graphics options, the StudioBook 16 ensures smooth multitasking and efficient handling of demanding applications. The laptop also boasts a generous amount of RAM and fast SSD storage, which contribute to quick load times and seamless workflow. One of its standout features is the ProArt Dial, a unique control interface that allows users to customize settings and access creative tools with ease, enhancing productivity and streamlining the creative process. 8. Yoga 7 2-in-1 AI PC Laptop. The Yoga 7 2-in-1 AI PC laptop is a versatile and stylish device designed to enhance productivity and entertainment. With its 360-degree hinge, this laptop seamlessly transforms from a traditional laptop into a tablet, making it perfect for various use cases, whether you're working, streaming, or sketching. Featuring a high-resolution touchscreen display, the Yoga 7 delivers vibrant colors and sharp visuals, ideal for watching movies or editing photos. The integration of AI enhances user experience by optimizing performance based on usage patterns, ensuring smooth multitasking and efficient battery management. 7. Rollcars Skates. Rollcars Skates are a revolutionary innovation in personal mobility, designed to provide a unique skating experience that combines the principles of traditional rollerblading with advanced technology. These skates feature a distinctive design that allows users to move forward by simply walking, making them ideal for both casual use and urban commuting. One of the stand-up features of Rollcars skates is their self-propelling mechanism, which provides a smooth glide and allows for effortless movement. They are equipped with large wheels that enhance stability and maneuverability, making them suitable for various terrains, from smooth sidewalks to slightly uneven surfaces. The skates are also designed with comfort in mind, featuring adjustable straps and a lightweight construction that ensures a snug fit without compromising ease of use. 6. WiseCam Pan V3. The WiseCam Pan V3 is an advanced indoor security camera designed to provide comprehensive monitoring for your home. Featuring 1080p Full HD video resolution, it delivers clear and detailed footage, ensuring you can easily identify people and objects in its view. One of its stand-up features is the 360-degree pan and tilt capability, allowing users to cover a wide area with smooth, remote-controlled movement via the Wise app. This camera is equipped with night vision, enabling it to capture sharp images in low-light conditions, making it perfect for around-the-clock surveillance. Additionally, it includes motion tracking, automatically following moving objects within its field of view to ensure nothing escapes your notice. With two-way audio, you can communicate with family members or pets from anywhere, adding a layer of interaction to your monitoring experience. 5. Era EMIDI Controller and Looper. The Era EMIDI Controller and Looper is a versatile tool designed for musicians, producers, and performers seeking to enhance their creative workflow. This innovative device features a unique touch-sensitive surface that allows users to control NIDI parameters intuitively, making it ideal for live performances and studio sessions alike. Equipped with a range of customizable pads and controls, the Era E enables seamless triggering of loops, samples, and effects, giving artists the flexibility to create complex compositions on the fly. Its built-in looper functionality allows for real-time recording and playback, making it easy to layer sounds and build arrangements without the need for additional hardware. 4. Wireless Projector Keyboard. The Wireless Projector Keyboard is an innovative device that enhances the way users interact with presentations and multimedia content. Combining the functionality of a traditional keyboard with advanced wireless technology, it allows users to type and control their presentations from a distance, providing greater flexibility and freedom of movement. This is particularly useful in classrooms, conference rooms, or during public speaking engagements where the presenter needs to engage with the audience while navigating slides. Equipped with Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connectivity, the wireless projector keyboard seamlessly connects to laptops, tablets, or smartphones, making it compatible with a wide range of devices. 3. AlphaBot X6. The AlphaBot X6 is a cutting-edge robotic device designed for various household and office tasks, blending advanced technology with user-friendly features. This multifunctional robot typically includes capabilities such as smart cleaning, vacuuming, and even mopping, making it a versatile assistant for maintaining cleanliness in different environments. Equipped with intelligent navigation systems, the AlphaBot X6 can efficiently map its surroundings, allowing it to avoid obstacles and ensure thorough coverage of the area. 2. Twinkly Squares Starter Kit. The Twinkly Squares Starter Kit is an exciting and innovative lighting solution designed to bring customizable ambience to any space. This kit includes smart LED squares that can be arranged in various patterns and shapes, allowing users to create stunning displays that reflect their personal style. Each square is equipped with vibrant RGB LEDs, capable of producing millions of colors and dynamic lighting effects. One of the standout features of the Twinkly Squares is their app connectivity. 1. Portable Theater System Sony HT-AX7. The Sony HT-AX7 portable theater system is a versatile and powerful audio solution designed to elevate your entertainment experience on the go. This compact system combines advanced sound technology with portability, making it ideal for outdoor gatherings, movie nights, or home use. Equipped with high-performance speakers, the HT-AX7 delivers immersive sound quality, ensuring that every detail of your favorite movies, music, and games comes to life. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows for seamless streaming from smartphones, tablets, and other devices, enabling you to enjoy your media without the hassle of wires. One of the standout features of the HT-AX7 is its built-in battery, and that wraps up our list of the top 10 coolest gadgets, all available on Amazon. Which gadget are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.